Want to add 3D Spatial Effect wallpaper on iPhone? Then here's a step-by-step process on how you can easily set up Spatial Wallpaper. First thing first, swipe down the screen from the top left corner. Right now you can see that I have already added the 3D Spatial Effect. If you also want to add it, click on this plus icon. Head over to Photos and move into your gallery. From your gallery, choose any of the photo that you want to set as a special effect. Once the photo has been selected, you can see automatically the special effect has been added. For that, you must be using the updated version of the software. If the effect has not been added, you need to click on this three dot icon and then simply click on Depth Effect. Once done, click on Add at the top right corner of the screen. You can choose as Set as Wallpaper Pair. Now there you go, the 3D special effect has been added to your wallpaper. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.